Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're not singing the weird song today. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into my January 2019, right? Yeah, 2019 BoxyCharm. Every time I hear that, I always want to say it in Kathleen Light's voice. I always hear the BoxyCharm. But anyways, I've posted these videos before, so I won't go into too much detail, but basically BoxyCharm is $21 a month for a subscription service. You get usually 5 full-size products, sometimes 6, depending on if they're feeling froggy. I don't know. Is that still a thing? But anyway, guys, if you want to see what I got in my BoxyCharm for January 2019, just keep watching this video. Thanks. Alright, so this is the box that it comes in every month. You know, pretty standard shipping address there on the back. And when you open it up, you get the theme card on the top. This month is Boxy and Chill. And then on the back of the card, I hope that's focusing, it tells you what's in the box and then how much each product cost. It is pretty good packaging. They have kind of upgraded these little foam inserts. It used to have like the little packing peanut things that went everywhere, and I actually got a couple pallets in the past that were broke, but since they've switched to these, this has been great with no problems. So when I open my box up, the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and pull out is this guy right here. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. This palette retails for $36. And then when you open this up, it's another one of these. We did get one of these in a box months back. I don't remember which month ago. But when you open it up, it is... I feel like these are mostly all shimmers. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. I don't know if this one color, maybe this one shade right here, is a matte, and the rest are all shimmers. It is a nice palette. The shimmers are pretty pigmented if you're into that. If you have a nice palette, like matte palette, you can build with, then this would be a good palette. Otherwise, like I said, it's all shimmers, so it's not going to work for everybody. And these are all really like light tone. I think there were 3 different palettes that BoxyCharm sent out, so if you're like maybe a deeper or darker skin tone, I don't know if these would work out for you either. So that's the first item. The next item in my box is this guy. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I have gotten these Briogeo products in the past, and I hate to say it, I am not a fan of them. They just leave this like weird filmy thing, I don't know, on my hair, and I don't know, I just don't like it. But this product is $16. I don't know if I'm going to try it, or I might give it away, but in the past, Briogeo really has not worked for me. I have very dry hair. As you can tell, it's kind of I mean, it is colored, not kind of. But my hair is colored, and it has like a very like curly texture, like wave to it. So I do need deep conditioner in my hair, but this, I just don't feel like this is the product for myself. I don't like this. I don't know why. Alright, so the next thing in the box, we're going to go ahead and grab this out of here. This is a Bite Beauty, I think these are the Amuse Bouche, I don't know how you say it, Amuse Bouche, I don't know if you want to be fancy. This is a lipstick, and it retails for $26. Mine is in the shade Gin Fizz. I do know this month BoxyCharm was sending out a variation of like 3 lipsticks. You either got like an Ofra lipstick, I want to say Smith & Colt maybe, or between the Bite Beauty, which Bite Beauty I don't mind. Actually, I wouldn't have minded any of them. I don't know if I'm going to use, I probably will, let's be honest. I'm not afraid of bright lipsticks or different colors. This is more like a fuchsia color. Oh, this lighting is way off today. But it's more of a fuchsia color. It is very nice. I have used the Bite Beauty in the past, and they are pretty long lasting. This though seems more like a satin, not a matte finish, so I don't think it would last throughout the day. But I'm not really complaining because, I mean, basically the lipstick alone would cover the price for the box. Alright, so the next product in the box is this Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. And I guess that's the shade Aurora. This pencil retails for $19. I have gotten this brand, I think, in the past in a BoxyCharm, and I don't like it. I feel like it's very dry. Maybe this one's, no, like this one's kind of hit or miss. I don't know how I would use this. I don't think I would use it in the waterline though, because it's like a pink glitter. Very light pink glitter, so I don't know if I would use it in the waterline. Maybe as like an eyeshadow, maybe just to smudge out. So yeah, there's that. And then the last thing, I feel like this to me is like the most exciting thing in the box, only because it is a pricier item. So these came in the box. These are the Tatcha Dewy Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. You get 2 of these. These actually retail for $12 a piece on Sephora. So to get 2 of these is actually pretty nice. This is a $24 value for these. I have not obviously used these. I think I might use one tonight just to kind of see. But for me, this was like the most exciting thing in the box. So yeah, guys, that concludes everything that I got in my January 19 BoxyCharm. Again, I hate to beat a dead horse. $21 a month gets you 5 full-size beauty products, and then sometimes 6 depending on what BoxyCharm feels like. Usually name brand products. Like I said, I got Tarte, Bite, Tatcha in there. So yeah, BoxyCharm to me is definitely something that I feel like is worth checking out. If you guys are interested, I mean, I'll link it down below for you guys. But other than that, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Hit like and hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.